Good morning on this Monday. Dan Hardeman coming to you from the Duke's Workshop Studios, downtown Newberry. Hope your weekend went well. Let's get you back into the grind with your latest look at your local news from around the region. This is your Newberry News Update here on M123 FM. In your local news this morning, the Schoolcraft County Board of Commissioners and the LMAS District Health Department have issued a joint statement pleading for the public's health and battling the latest surge in COVID cases around the area. From March of 2020 at the start of the pandemic to August 1st of 2021, Schoolcraft County reported 460 cases of COVID and reported 5 deaths. However, in just the last 4 months from August through the start of December, Schoolcraft has seen a rapid rise in numbers, adding 590 COVID cases in just the last 4 months and 2 additional deaths. That's caused Schoolcraft County to expand testing opportunities and beg the public for their support as pressure is at an all-time high on the area healthcare system. Paul Walker, who serves as chairman of the Schoolcraft County Board of Commissioners, says that all of us on the Schoolcraft County Board applaud the continued efforts of Schoolcraft Memorial Hospital and the LMAS District Health Department to keep residents safe, but they need all of us to work together to bring the COVID surge to an end. Director and Health Officer for LMAS, Nicholas DeRushy, says that even though there are more tools available than there were a year ago to keep each other safe, the county and LMAS need more residents to use the tools at their disposal. LMAS is recommending vaccinations or boosters for those who qualify and are asking you to get yours if you haven't done so yet, wearing a mask in indoor public spaces, getting tested if you have symptoms of COVID-19 or have been exposed, and staying home if you are sick to prevent the spread. DeRushy says, quote, "We need everyone to work together to get the case numbers down, help relieve the pressure on our healthcare system. Please help us keep each other healthy." Schoolcraft County, the LMAS District Health Department, and the Michigan National Guard are offering expanded COVID testing, which will be available on Mondays starting today and lasting the next 3 weeks. That testing will be available at the Schoolcraft County Government Building at the DHS entrance. Parking spaces will be reserved in front of the courthouse for those who want to be tested or asked to remain in your vehicle, and Guard members will come to your car to provide the testing. It will take place once again over the next 3 Mondays from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. An additional testing day has also been scheduled for Wednesday, December 15th from noon until 4. Trident officials and the Chippewa County Sheriff's Office have reported the arrest of a man who is accused of smuggling drugs. Also will be facing weapons charges. According to Chippewa County Sheriff Mike Bittner, a Sheriff's Department employee was approached to smuggle narcotics into the county correctional facility recently. The employee reported this contact to administration and then worked with the Trident Task Force on making the bust. Trident investigated the complaint, and on December 2nd, Thomas Rogers delivered narcotics and cash to Trident with the help of the employee. The delivery occurred in a business parking lot in Kincheloe. After the delivery was made, authorities arrested Rogers. A subsequent search warrant was conducted at Rogers' residence and resulted in the seizure of methamphetamine, Suboxone, a loaded unregistered handgun, and loaded AR-style semi-automatic rifle. The suspect in the case, Thomas Wayne Rogers, age 26 of Kincheloe, has been charged with several counts, including possession of methamphetamine, delivery of Suboxone, conspiracy to deliver Suboxone, attempting to furnish narcotics to a prisoner, conspiracy to furnish narcotics to a prisoner, possession with the intent to deliver Suboxone, possession of a firearm by a felon, felony firearm charges, possession of ammunition by a felon. Rogers is listed as a third offense habitual offender. The investigation continues, and authorities expect that further arrests and charges could still be pending. Rogers was arraigned in the 91st District Court. Goodfellows of Newberry is looking to help spread a little bit of holiday cheer, and they want the community's help with the project. Goodfellows is getting ready to distribute gifts to local children around the area for the holiday season. but they're asking for the community's help in wrapping those gifts. There'll be a charity gift wrapping event on December 11th at 9 a.m. at the Lewis County Link in downtown Newberry. Goodfellows' Christmas mission is that no child or senior goes without a Christmas. You can assist with the program and help wrap presents. Once again, that's December 11th. That'll be next Saturday at the Lewis County Link. Engadine Consolidated Schools is hosting a special acting workshop for students in grades 7 through 12. It's being held by the Engadine Schools Musical Department. The acting workshop will be held in the band room. Students can sign up on the sheet. It's hanging outside the band room. It's a fun program that will not only help students interested in theater develop their acting skills, but will encourage anyone to gain confidence. You can also play theater games and prepare yourselves to audition for the next presentation, which will be Beauty and the Beast Jr. That acting workshop will be next Tuesday, December 14th from 3 until 5 at Engadine Consolidated Schools. That is your latest local news from around the region. It is your Newberry News Update here on M123 FM. Time now to check in with sports this morning. High school hockey action over the weekend. The Manistee Emeralds varsity hockey program picked up their first win in the team's history yesterday morning. The Emeralds co-op, which features players from Manistee, Munising, and Newberry, knocked off the Hancock Bulldog JVs by a score of 2-0. Freshman goaltender Alex Noble made 13 saves and picked up his first career shutout. Cameron Skeens and Zach Burton each scored goals. As Manistee picked up their first win on the season, they tied Jeffers 1-1 on Saturday afternoon. Matthew Rahali with the assist to Austin Hinkson for the game's only goal Saturday. With the win and the tie over the weekend, the Emeralds are now 1-1 on the season. Will prepare for their first ever home game. It's December 16th versus Kingsford, the Little Bear West Arena in Manistee. New game also added to the high school schedule. The team will play December 17th at 7 o'clock in Munising against the Marquette Redmond JV.
First victory of the year on the line. Goff's got it. Back, looks, throws, ends up. Yes! Caught! Touchdown, Detroit Lions! They did it! Amon-Ra St. Brown in the receiving end! Oh, they're rushing the field! They've done it! 3-0 on the clock! This game is over! It's over! Jared Goff to Amon-Ra St. Brown, his first career touchdown. And how big is that? Oh, my goodness.
Lions play-by-play broadcaster Dan Miller on 97.1 The Ticket and the Lions Radio Network. The long wait finally over for the Detroit Lions and their fans, who finally pick up win number 1 on the season as the Lions beat the Minnesota Vikings at Ford Field yesterday. Final score 29-27. Lions flipped the script after a season full of disappointments. This time it was them who had the last laugh in the final seconds. Jared Goff threw for nearly 400 yards, played his best game as the Lions starting quarterback. Head coach Dan Campbell picks up win number 1 as Detroit gets the victory in front of the home fans. The Final Four in the college football playoffs officially set, and the Michigan Wolverines are in. The Big Ten champions blasted Iowa over the weekend, now head to college football semifinals. The Wolverines finish as the number 2 ranked team in the college football playoff rankings. That means they get a New Year's Eve date with the Georgia Bulldogs, who were beat up by Alabama in the SEC championship game over the weekend. Crimson Tide, Wolverines, Bulldogs, and Cincinnati, the Final Four, getting invites to the college football playoff. Both semifinal games will be on December 31st. The first game will be at the Cotton Bowl in Texas as 4th-ranked Cincinnati takes on number 1 Alabama. The Wolverines and Bulldogs will kick off at 8 o'clock New Year's Eve in the Orange Bowl from Miami. The two winners of those games will meet January 10th in Indianapolis for the College Football Playoff National Championship. Michigan State also getting a big-time bowl invite. The Spartans, after an incredible turnaround under new coach Mel Tucker, are headed to a New Year's Six bowl game. It'll be one of the more prestigious games on the slate, as Michigan State will take on the ACC champion Pitt Panthers in the Peach Bowl. That game will take place on December 30th. The Spartans will be taking on former longtime defensive coordinator Pat Narduzzi, who led Pitt to its first ACC championship in program history. Not just the Spartans and Wolverines that are going bowling. As a matter of fact, every Division I team in the state getting a bowl invite, including the 3 teams from the Mid-American Conference. The MAC will be well represented in bowl season. Eastern Michigan making its 4th bowl appearance in the last 6 seasons. They will take on Liberty on December 18th in the Lending Tree Bowl. That game held in Mobile, Alabama. The Western Michigan Broncos will be just down the road in Detroit. They'll take on Nevada in the Quick Lane Bowl. That is an 11 a.m. kickoff on Monday, December 27th, and also New Year's Eve Day. It'll be the Central Michigan Chippewas taking on Boise State in the Barstool Sports Arizona Bowl from Tucson. Your latest local weather forecast for the day today. People continuing to dig out, but the snow is not done. National Weather Service says snow showers likely to continue throughout this Monday. Areas of patchy blowing snow. Temperatures will be in the low 20s with southwest winds 10 to 15 in the morning, coming 15 to 20 in the afternoon, and gusting as high 40 miles per hour. New snow accumulation for the daytime today, 1 to 2 inches is possible. Tonight, one of the coldest nights of the winter so far. Snow showers likely, cloudy, a low near 5 with wind chill dipping below 0. West winds 10 to 15, gusting as high as 30, 1 to 2 inches of fresh snow possible in the overnight. Tuesday, 40% chance of snow, partly sunny, a high in the upper teens. Wind chills minus 10 to 0. West winds 10 miles per hour. For your Wednesday, slight chance of snow showers, partly sunny, highs in the mid-20s. Wind chills single digits. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. This is your latest news, sports, and weather. It's your Newberry News Update on M123 FM.